Hi everyone, welcome to this beginner's tutorial on how to use Headlime, one of the best AI copywriting tools available. If you're new to copywriting or just looking for an efficient way to create quality content, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to take you through all the steps you need to know to get started with Headlime. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create compelling content quickly and easily using AI. Check out the link in the description to try Headlime for free. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, open your browser and head over to Headlime using the link in the description. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's a simple and straightforward process. Just click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. You'll be asked to enter your name, email, and create a password. After that, Headlime may send you a verification email to confirm your address. Check your inbox and click on the link in that email to activate your account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in using your credentials by clicking the Login button at the top of the page. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the interface. At first glance, you'll notice that Headlime's design is clean, minimalistic, and intuitive, which is perfect for beginners. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu bar, and below that, you'll find various sections that allow you to manage your projects. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new document. So, go ahead and click on the Start Copywriting button, which is located in the center of the screen. This is where you begin your content creation journey. When you click Start Copywriting, you'll be asked to choose what type of content you want to create. Headlime offers a wide range of templates to choose from, depending on your needs. Whether you're working on a blog post, ad copy, social media content, landing pages, or even product descriptions, Headlime has a template for you. For the sake of this tutorial, let's start with creating a blog post. So, click on the blog post option. Now, Headlime will ask you for a few details to get started. These details are important because they help the AI generate relevant and personalized content. The first thing it will ask for is a blog title. Let's say you want to write a blog about cabins in Ontario. Go ahead and enter that title in the field. Next, it will ask for a brief description of what the blog post will be about. This doesn't have to be too detailed, just 1 or 2 sentences that summarize the main idea. Once you've entered that, you can move on to the next step. The next thing you'll see is a list of tone options. Headlime allows you to choose the tone of the content you want to generate. The tone can range from professional and formal to casual and conversational. Depending on the audience you're targeting, you'll want to select the appropriate tone. Now, here comes the fun part. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Generate button. The AI will begin working its magic, and within a few moments, you'll see your blog post appear on the screen with different results from which you can choose one. It's that easy. The AI analyzes the information you've given it and produces a well-structured, readable blog post that's ready to go. But we're not done yet. Headlime also offers editing options to help you fine-tune your content. Let's take a closer look at some of those features. If you want to tweak the content that Headlime has generated, you can do that directly within the editor. Simply click on any section of the text that you want to change and start typing. You can add additional paragraphs, reword sentences, or delete any parts that you feel don't fit your message. Let's say you're not happy with the introduction of the blog post. Instead of manually editing it, Headlime will rewrite the selected portion of the content, giving you fresh alternatives that you can choose from. Once you're satisfied with your blog post, it's time to save and export your work. Click the Download button, which is located at the top right of the screen. You can also export your content in various formats, including Word, PDF, and text. Another cool feature Headlime offers is the ability to collaborate with your team. If you're working on a project with others, you can share your document with them and they can leave comments, make edits, or suggest changes in real time. This makes Headlime not only a tool for individual creators, but also for teams that need to collaborate on content. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly show you some of the other templates Headlime offers, because this tool is more than just for blog posts. You can create ad copy for platforms like Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. You can also generate landing pages that are optimized for conversions, as well as product descriptions that are tailored to different industries. And if you're into email marketing, Headlime has templates for that too, helping you craft personalized, engaging emails in just a few steps. So, whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Headlime has something to offer. It's incredibly versatile, and the best part is, it's all powered by AI, which means it saves you a ton of time and effort. To recap, we started by signing up for Headlime and logging into the dashboard. Then, we walked through creating a blog post using AI by providing a title, description, and selecting a tone and length. We explored Headlime's powerful editing features, including the ability to regenerate sections. Finally, we saved and exported the document and briefly touched on some of the other templates Headlime offers. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful tutorial. Make sure to sign up using my link in the description. No credit card is required to try it for free, so there is no risk in trying it out. Thanks for watching.